Anche na. Ano? Pwede na yun. Madala.
Pag luluto namin ng chicharon,
Hmm?
all petals pa rin kami. Wala kaming inalis sa sinaunang pagluluto. Yung binibilan sa araw, tapos ang ginagamit namin pugon na kahoy ang gato. Kasi sabi nila, iba daw talaga yung lasa kaysa yung niluto mo sa makina, tapos niluto mo sa gasolina, kuluto.
Perfect na.
Kahoy. Here we are with the fact. Yes, it's no factor. Hence uses proven traditional ways of making chicharon. Let's get this. Every piece of chicharon is a story. So here it goes beyond. It's about the hands that make it to the heart.
Pwede na pa sa imo ang sudan.
Boiling the news is done to remove fat and excess flavor. Buon is a brick clay oven, traditionally wood fired, using for cooking or baking. The term comes from Spanish buon, meaning hearth or stove. Think of it like a slow roasting chamber fueled by wood, which helps the food cook or dry the whole skin without burning. In traditional
Paka-paka na. Piti-piti.
provinces like Bulacan, buon is used to cook the pork skin back slowly after boiling. It acts like a dryer or roaster, helping reduce moisture gradually from the fountain. Sometimes used instead of sun-dried, especially during rainy seasons when obviously are operations.
Katuwa na nga batch nga giluto.
Boiling the pork skins using locally
Kan ba to?
wood.
Inay paak naman. Bouncy kayo ba?
Visit to the store.
Dahil mura po siya glay pagka rubberized. So karon
Kailangan ko na lang din yung tinawag
Kan isa, crack isa.
Chicharon, capital ng
mm.
Pilipinas yung Santa Maria. Kasi yung sasarap ng chicharon sa Santa Maria, iba talaga. Kahit sabihin mo na maraming nagchichicharon sa Pampanga, sa San Miguel.
Tangalan yung suka.
Kasi parang yung mga
daog na.
nagchicharon dyan sa ano, pag-adapt na lang nila din.
Dahil i-update lang ninyo yung kuan.
Sa Santa Maria,
Lusakan.
iba talaga yung
Makatong 50 mg mo na to daan yung 100 mg kay.
masarap yan.
Ningon man guli nila ni putok-batok daw.
Santa Maria is home to some of the best chicharon in the Philippines. Santa Maria has a reputation as the country's chicharon capital. Here in town, we see
Huh?
rows of chicharon sellers lining the main street.
Sa paghulat niyo. Sulong na. Chara!
Chicharon is a popular snack in the Philippines. Our family likes to eat chicharon with
Dahil mo na tungod ni YouTube University.
serve both resellers